Want to quickly add numbers in Excel without doing it manually? Let's see the sum function and how it can save you time. The sum function in Excel add the numbers in range or multiple ranges. It's simple but powerful when working with budgets, sales or any commercial data. Here we have a dataset that contains sales of a company across different countries. First, we will take sum of all sales by adding sale values. Type this formula equals sum start parenthesis reference of the first cell full colon reference of the last cell close parenthesis. Now hit enter. You see you have got the sum of all sales across all countries for a company. Now let's explore the second option. What if we want to calculate sales of some specific countries like Germany, Italy or Belgium? Write this formula accordingly. Type equals sum open parenthesis give cell references but with comma separated close parenthesis and hit enter. Now bonus tip. If you want to get totals without typing the formula, then just select the range, select the empty cell where you want the total, press Alt plus equal and now enter. You will get the result. That's it for the sum function. In next video, we will learn about the average function to calculate the mean quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to follow along.